I am proficient in English speaking. I am fluent. My pronunciation is flawless. I can speak aspirated sounds very well. I can utter diphthongs without any error. The annotation pattern in my speaking is like native speakers. My pronunciation of consonants is flawless. I can easily score 8.5 bands in pronunciation. My words are clear and sound like natives. My thoughts are lucid and coherent. My response in English language is well managed and meaningful. I can easily get 8.5 overall band score in the speaking module. I can precisely respond to questions of different topics. I can formulate and organize my opinion in an impressive way. I can score 8.5 to 9 band in the response section. I have gained mastery in using uncommon words in English speaking discourse. I speak idiomatical language. I always convince examiner and score 9 band in vocabulary section. I can well organize cue card in the speaking assessment. I score 9 band in the vocabulary section. My language structure is diversified. I speak flawless expressions. I always score 9 out of 9 in the speaking section.